really, really, really want. See, choose the right recipe. I'm about to give you all a recipe you all never heard before. We got the recipe for 10 steps to 10K. I'll do a little recap on that. But I'm going to give you a recipe for the big event that you never heard before. Because I never heard it before. It's like the missing piece, the missing ingredient to the recipe. So see us choose the right recipe for the goal that you want to accomplish. If you want to earn 10,000 plus per month on autopilot, working 10 to 15 hours a week, take the 10 steps to 10K, the core leader challenge. I'll show you in a moment again. But that's the recipe. Some of y'all are on it. I've been getting messages and hearing the success stories. And man, I implemented this. Coach, I found my location for my weekly event. Coach, I got together with 3 people immediately so we can work on implementing the recipe and be accountability partners. I'm loving the stories that I'm hearing. If you started implementing the core leader challenge checklist, put core leader in the chat for me. Core leader in the chat. I stand for implement the entire recipe, not a piece of it, not 90% of it, not 95% of it. Always think about the box cake. If you're going to make a box cake, it doesn't matter if you didn't know how to make a box cake. It doesn't matter if you don't think you're good at making cakes. None of that matters. If you follow that recipe in its entirety, the cake is going to come out the way it's supposed to every single time. Ask me how I know. I baked over 100 box cakes in high school, tons of them. That was one of my first products that I used to fund my financial education. I used baking cakes and snacks and candy for sale to pay for the seminars, to find the mentors, so I could find the recipe for freedom. And so this all comes full circle. But you got to implement the entire recipe. Everything in my message is about implementing the entire recipe, including the P. Prioritize transformation. That doesn't mean just transforming to be transforming. It doesn't mean I'm doing personal development just to be doing personal development. It doesn't mean I'm doing leadership development just to be doing leadership development. No, it means I'm transforming whenever I need to transform so I can implement the entire recipe and finally get the results that I've been going after.